Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomie, and today I am coming to you with my last living room fall refresh. This video is sponsored by Cricut, and today I will share how I use their amazing Explore Air 2 to create these beautiful designs on my accent pillows. If you want to see everything I've done, just keep on watching. Let me go ahead and take you in right now and show you how I created these beautiful pieces. And I've also added a twist to this design, so be sure to watch the video through to the end because you don't want to miss it. With all of my beautiful Cricut designs, the first thing I do is I go into my Cricut design space. In this case, I'm typing in pumpkin. And after doing so, a plethora of options were available to choose from. After going through all the options, I found this one that was perfect for my project. It is beautiful and it has a lot of detail that I was looking for. So the first thing I did was I went to the top and unlocked that padlock so I could size it to fit my pillow. After sizing, I went ahead and changed the color to white so that I would not miss any of the details when I changed it over to the mat. Now this is what it looks like when placed on the measuring mat. Here you can see that I'm going to hit mirror because I'm using an everyday iron-on material, and you'll see the options come up in just a little bit. Now here you can see that I've been given two options, everyday iron-on or premium vinyl, and of course I'm choosing everyday iron-on. I adjusted my needle to more, that way it could press into the material just a little bit stronger, and with that we're ready to go. Now I just press the arrow button to feed the material into the machine, and off we go with the cutting. Now here I just sit back, relax, and watch it work. After cutting, I just grabbed my little nifty tool, which is to help me weed everything off, and this is so satisfying to see your project coming to life. This pillow cover that I'm using came from the IKEA. It is 20 by 20 inches. And here you'll see me using the ironing board from Cricut. I'm inserting it inside of the pillow cover to get ready for my iron-on. Here's my pumpkin, you guys. It is absolutely stunning. And here I'm just going to place it down on top of the pillow cover, making sure that it is centered before I add the heat. Here I have my Cricut press at 330 degrees for 15 seconds. I press the button and I just glide it over the pattern, making sure that it is adhering to the fabric. Cricut has provided instructions as far as the temperature and the length of time for your iron-ons, so please make sure that you pay attention to that when you're doing your projects. After ironing, just let it cool for a little bit, and then we are ready to peel that layer off and see how beautiful this is. Take a look at that. Project is coming alive right before your very eyes. And with that, let's go ahead and style it. So let's go in, guys. If you've been with me for any length of time, you already know this room, and you know the things that I absolutely love using in here, which is my beautiful tray. This gold tray here, and inside of it I have this pumpkin, which I refer to as the queen pumpkin. I also have this floral arrangement, and then I have my three beautiful mirrored candle stands from HomeSense. Let me take it back a little bit. The tray is also from HomeSense. I bought it about 2 years ago, And the pumpkin, I just bought it this fall at Home Sense. I think I paid $20 for the pumpkin. And these beautiful peonies came from Amazon, and this vase I thrifted a while back, maybe like 3 years ago. Now let's take a look at this side of the room. In both my chairs, you can see that I'm using these pink button pillows that I picked up a while back from the IKEA. And here in between the two chairs, you'll see that I've added some beautiful pink pampas grass that I picked up from Home Sense. This vase also came from Home Sense a while back. And you guys are no stranger to this accent table that I DIY'd with a clock on top of it. And moving down to the second shelf, I have my books, and then I have this beautiful pumpkin that I also picked up at Home Sense this fall, maybe a couple months ago, and it says Fall in Love. So those are the slight changes that I made to this side of the room. On my side tables, I didn't do too much. I still have this beautiful star with these Dollar Tree pumpkins in it. I went in and just added another pumpkin, a larger size pumpkin. This I got from Home Sense. A lot of my items come from Home Sense, guys. I just love their stuff, and when I go in and I see what I like, I just pick it up. And this lamp here, I don't change my lamps. They're always the same, and I basically have the same thing on the other end. Now let's move over to the sofa. And guys, you just saw me make these pillows. Oh my goodness. I just absolutely love this design and was so happy when I saw it on Cricut Design Space. Guys, the amount of things you can do with the Cricut is just simply amazing. Absolutely gorgeous. So I have, of course, let me get into it, this blush pink throw that I picked up from Home Sense. The pillow covers, as I said earlier, they are from the IKEA. And these fluffy ones in the back, I've had those for forever. I don't even remember where I got them from, but they make beautiful fillers is kind of how I use them and what I call them. They're fillers to kind of like just give you a little bit more texture, a little bit more dimension. Fills the space in quite nicely, and I love using them. This beauty in the middle right here, I think I got this from William Ashley 2 years ago. And I have the exact same thing on this side without the throw. Okay guys, remember at the beginning I said that I have a twist to share with you? Take a look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. So what I have done is, using the same pillow cover that I put the gold pumpkin on, I added Welcome Fall in silver to the opposite side of the pillow cover. Now that way, if I want to decorate using silver, I can use this side of the pillow, and if I want to decorate using gold, then I would use the side with the gold pumpkin. Guys, just a tip for you, these are just some of the things that you can do, especially with your seasonal decor pieces, like these pillow covers. You can do something different on each side. So here I have Welcome Fall. This one is kind of plain. This other one I have a little bit more detail at the ends of Welcome, but super gorge regardless. And with this, if you're using the silver side, you can see that I've added the beautiful mirrored pillow in the center. And for the like the coffee table, you can add your silver accents. So again, it's the same pillow cover, using it for two different looks. one with silver and the other with gold. I'll just flip it around so you can see that it's the same one. There you go, and no one would ever know. It just looks at this point like you just have a ton of pillows for decorating. Right above the sofa is my mirror. I've had this maybe 3 years, and I picked that up at HomeSense as well. And I'll show you the other art piece that I have on the opposite wall. And this one I created. It was a Z Gallery inspired painting. And there it is. Matches my decor perfectly with all the pink. This was an old painting that I had, and I just recreated it into this beautiful, beautiful piece. I will leave a link or an iCard off this video. That way you can check out how I did this beautiful Z Gallery inspired wall art. Guys, I love everything so much. I even went and started doing some mugs. This one says Hello Fall, absolutely beautiful. Pumpkin spice, everything. So I even started to increase my kitchen decor for fall. Like I said, the amount of things that you can use this machine to do is just unbelievable. Okay guys, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment below and let me know what was your favorite part. And guys, I have so much more coming with the changing of the season. We are slowly moving out of fall, and I'll be sharing some Christmas or holiday decor and ideas with you. So make sure that your notification bells are on so that you don't miss any of my videos. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I thank you for clicking on this video. And while you're here, I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And again, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss a single upload. And to all my lovely penny pinchers who have been with me forever and a day, you know how I feel. Love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your Glamorous Penny Pincher ChelomieC saying bye-bye.